everyone. So yeah, for today we only have two flights. The first flight is we're coming from Connecticut and going to Minneapolis, and the second flight is from Minneapolis. We're going to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So it's gonna be easy flights today, but the first one will be longer. I think it's about 2 hours and 20-minute flight. So I'm excited for today. So later, I'm gonna share with you what's gonna be going on. And we're expecting not too much of passengers, maybe just 30 to 50% capacity of 76-seater aircraft. Hello everyone. So I got here now into my hotel in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And this is our last flight for the day. We got here around 8:55 Central Time. So I'm gonna show you it. So here's the restroom. So it's just a small one. And this is the whole thing. It's just a tiny room. But it's clean and decent. I like these cupboards. And the TV there is kind of big. So, pretty decent. It's just a small room, but I like it. It's clean. And the door here is sliding. See? Sliding door for the bathroom. Right. That's it for this room. Hello everyone. Now I just have to relax. Anyways, I would like to talk a little bit about pre-flight checks. Pre-flight checks are standard procedures on first flight or when changing plane for your next flight. Then, is air travel safe? Guys, it is definitely safe to travel. So if you have plans to travel by air, don't be scared. Just follow the airline's new protocols. Like the company I work with, it's mandatory now that every passenger should wear a mask or face covering and also maintain social distancing inside the aircraft. So definitely guys, I assure you that air travel is safe. So that's it guys for this episode of my vlog. If you have any suggestion that you want me to do, just comment down below and let me know. So now guys, I just want to thank my loyal subscribers. Well, alam nyo, magtatagalag na ako. Nahirapan na ako mag-English. Anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat po sa mga unang-unang mga nag-subscribe sa akin. So, i-shout out ko lang po sila. At ganun na rin po yung mga bagong mga subscribers ko. Shout out po kay Angelan Brent, An's Vlog, Nax Gems, Ivy Joy Bandiala, G Smile 8, Pinay Mom UK, Simple Home Cooking Guide, Dins and I, and to my newest subs, John Mark Manopo, Kuya Champ TV, Mommy Baby V, Zedric Elaponga, Emmy Verdilio, and sa marami pa po sa inyo, maraming salamat po. Sana wag kayong magsawa na manood ng aking mga videos dito sa YouTube. And wag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-hit niyo rin po ang notification bell button para pag meron po akong incoming video, ma-notify po kayo. So, eto na naman po ako, si Larmic01. Pasensya na po kasi hindi ako makapagbasa ng walang salamin. Anyway, maraming salamat po uli sa inyo. And until next time, bye-bye.